Hi, welcome to Sparkling Memories, a place where you could build healthy relationship with food pairs yourself. And this is what we're making today. Let's start with the ingredients. This is everything you see here. Kerrygold, pure Irish butter, yellow onion, some fresh garlic, couple cloves we're going to use today, about 2 or 3 depending on the size, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, hint of honey barbecue sauce, since I can't find the honey barbecue sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, even though we're using the regular garlic and the regular onion, chipotle roasted garlic one, that's from Grill Mates. We have the turkey, a whole sausage. Because we got a frying pan, we're going to be making all this in. First, we got to chop up the turkey sausages, and then we got to hook it up, make it taste good. Once it's cut up, it's going to look like this. We have the turkey. There's the big chunks you see right here. We have the garlic, the bell peppers, and the onions. And all the seasoning we're going to put with it, because it needs to have some more flavor. So let's go ahead and hook it up. First, we have the Irish butter in the frying pan, since we're not using oil today. Yep, throw them bad boys in there. Stir them up a little bit. Now we will have some other ingredients that was not in the beginning part of the video. We're going to add that. Give it a better flavor. Because flavor profile is what we're looking for, man. Make it taste good. Make sure you get all them veggies. It's good to have more information and stuff. See, I was there putting in them peppers. There you go. Now we're on the right side. Now we got some thyme. Put a few of that in there. And we want to go ahead and give that a nice stir too. We go in with our Sazon Goya seasoning. Oh yeah. Hook it up. Give that a nice stir. Then we add the turkey, baby. The turkey chunks that we cut up earlier. We're going to go ahead and mix that up. Because all that flavor and them veggies, you want to coat your turkey with it. Mix it all up. Remember, the turkey we use is already fully cooked. So we don't have to cook it for a long time. We just have to add more flavor to it. The flavor profile is what we're looking for. That's why we add in all the other stuff. Yeah, baby. Looking good already. I know it just went into the pot. It didn't even start getting the sauce in there yet. See how that goes? Yeah. And what I like is the red dried tomatoes. You can always add some chili peppers and stuff. That also works too. Flavor profile. I don't want it too spicy. I don't want it sweet. I wanted more of a savory taste, but a hint of sweet. I know that sounds weird, but hey, if it works, it works. Because turkey, it needs a lot more seasoning than regular chicken. Going in there with some garlic powder. Yes, we do have real garlic in there too. We got to hook it up for some more seasoning, man. Because it soaks it up just like a sponge. And that's what you're looking for. Some onion powder. Oh, yeah. Put generous amount on that bad boy. Then we got to stir it up some more. At this point, we want to add that hint of honey barbecue sauce. We're going to go ahead and add some bourbon sauce to it. And some water. Because you don't want the sauce too thick and you don't want it too strong. You want a nice balance, and then you let that cook down. The cooking down process is anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes. It's so super quick. You can pair this with some spaghetti or some rice, all depending on what you're into. Here we go. Hint of honey. Hint of honey in your barbecue sauce. Pour on that first layer. Next one will be the bourbon and then the water. Hook it up. Hope y'all enjoy this. Till next time, this is Miss Sitting Around from Sparkling Memories. Bye-bye.